Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So I am here again to bring to you something that happened today, and I want to use the opportunity to congratulate those that I'm gonna mention their name. We all know how the whole thing started. Don't ask me what. You know what I'm talking about. After the redeclaration of Biafra, some people decided to fall back, believing that they know what they want. They chose their personal interest over what everybody actually wants. Those joy killers. If you don't know what happened then, please go and watch the video of the convention. Like I promised, I will be playing it from time to time until I will get it done. What they did in 2024 after that declaration, after the redeclaration of Biafra, is the reason why the breaking news today happened. Remember, I'm not a freedom fighter, neither am I an agitator. I'm just a content creator, reporting what I know that is on social media. I don't go beyond my limits. And I don't promote violence, neither am I in support of any criminality. But truth must be told. We have to say the truth so that our people will not be misled by those who think they know everything and they know how to get this done. Some people fell back because they want to maintain the names honorable that is attached to their name, not because of you, not because they actually care about anything, in that regard. The target is to make sure that everything is the way they want it to be, and to make sure that they deceive those they can deceive, because they know that you believe in them. If you believe them, they will want to utilize that trust that you have on them for their own personal gain. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'm actually not in a good mood. I'm not gonna lie to you this morning. Not because of anything, not because of the breaking news, but it's part of it. But there are some things that we need to. I feel like there's something we are missing somewhere. When I say me, I'm talking about the Igbo people, because our own people are the reason why we are facing. Our people are insulting us. I'm gonna tell you a little story so that you understand what I'm talking about before I even come to why we are here. Like I said, please, if you have not liked the video, do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to the channel. You heard a traditional ruler that spoke direct to Tinubu one-on-one. One of the things that Igwe said that makes me happy, and I believe many of you, I believe you felt it as well. When he said that he's not in support of traditional ruler, like one single Igwe of southern part of Nigeria, because the agenda is to have one Igwe, one traditional ruler that will, of course, other Igwe, other traditional rulers will be under the person, and they have mapped out only of Ife for that. The traditional ruler from Akwa Ibom, from even Oijo, Bini, from Igbo land, like the one from Alochukwu, that one of Alochukwu decided to be a spokesperson, advocating also to bring southern traditional rulers together that will be headed by a Yoruba monarch. If you don't understand what that means, later in the future, they are going to tell you that Nambodi was championed for one Nigeria. You guys are championed for one unified forum organization for southern part of Nigeria and all that. And that the agenda is not that they love you. They're doing that just because they want to use that to penetrate Igbo land. And the Igwe of Arochukwu is falling into that trap. A man of his age who should understand better that there was a time Igbo people tried to bring the Iriji Festival, New Year Festival in Lagos. Yoruba people refuse to allow Igbo masquerade to take place or to be, to carry out function, to, display the traditional, our culture in Yoruba land. They said no. Arochukwu, Igbo of Arochukwu should know this. But what did he do? He's busy now clapping and yapping nonsense, dragging Igbo people to that nonsense. The same thing, that mistake that we often make is that's the reason why I'm here. That's the reason why I'm recording this video. Because in 2024, our people went to Finland to declare freedom, to redeclare Biafra. Some, after dissolving of the cabinet, to restructure the cabinet, reshuffle it. Some of them find out that their name are missing. That they're not going to make it to this new era of the government. What do? They want to fall back to the former previous government structure, because that is where the name will appear, without minding the consequences of that single action. Today, that's one of the consequences took place today. Because there's a breaking news that the place called Mother Valley has been taken over. We're captured. If you go to Nigerian military page, is there. In fact, Keshoso and their group are posting it, giving up there back to back. Those people that don't even normally talk, people are giving a lot of stories. I have them here with me. I'm not gonna play it here because I don't feel that it's time to do that. I don't feel that it's time to do that. That is a very big insult, and it's not only insult on anybody, but basically on PM. Everything that PM has worked for, this guy trashed it to the ground zero. That's why I'm here, to send a congratulatory message to Azaya Yogo, Imam Maduabu, Sona Barawa, Mazakwa, of course, Lazuba. So many other people like Success. These are people that refuse to do what they're supposed to do. They chose to do otherwise. And the turnout of the event is not actually funny. It's not funny because people are not going through a lot. People are, some are speechless. Some don't even know what to say. And likely so. Likely so. This is the reason why you must define what you want on time. You must know who you are following, because a lot of people are apt to deceive one another. Congratulations to Udele. He said he's going to do that. He has done that. Courtesy of some people who should have known better. I am not against any operation by military to push quote unquote criminals away. If that is what they're doing, good. But I have a kind of a request from those that have done this one, that took over Mother Valley, headed by Udele and Co. Udele is now wearing military. I don't know if this picture is real or fake. I don't know if it's real or fake, but whichever way, you have to talk about it. I don't know. Udele said that he's going to do that. He has done it. And people are pretending that they don't know what is going on. And some people that will tell you that Nkere Rebesa is a problem. She's supposed to have done this and done that and do that and done that. Really? Is that what you think? Is that what you think? Pushing everything on her is understandable. It's quite understandable. But being realistic is a different thing altogether. Many of you that contributed in one thing or another that lead to this, I hope you are very, very, very happy. Very, very much happy. If there's anybody doing kidnapping, this and that. My hands are not there. I don't support evil. I cannot promote criminality. No. You have to do what you can do to safeguard yourself. The same people that are bragging what they have done, in Mother Valley today and all that, they ignore. They ignore some part in Igbo land because they said that and Igbo Garden also. Ihamufu has been deserted for a very long time. What I mean is Ihamufu not Igbo land? I'm just asking. Can you people go there as well and do exactly what you have just done? Restore the community of Ihamufu back to the owner. Can they do that? Never. Never. I'm now receiving some messages from public videos of frustrated Oduduwa people complaining about what's this level of insecurity. Whereas from the other side, people are pampering that, making it look like nothing has happened. Insecurity is a very big issue in Nigeria. We all know that. We all know that. But can these people do something better and make sure that everything is in line? And Igbo, everything that an Igbo that you claim that you are here to restore and others, extend that to Yamufu. I don't see it doesn't make any sense. It won't make any sense to anybody that you have this show of force when you have any camp that your brothers are there to make sure they guide, they keep watching and all that. You don't like it. Good. Also bring this show of force to Fulani camps in Igbo land. Let's see how you go about that one. Let's see how you go about that one. Some of these people following Udele don't even know that Udele have a different agenda. He don't believe in anything good for that Igbo land. That is number one. He don't believe that. So teaming up with him now is just like teaming up with someone that's gonna buy you later, eventually. Because he's coming there. He don't love you, he don't like anybody, anything at all in Igbo. So just go and watch and pay more attention to what is going on in Yoruba land. That will help you for your brain to be reset and reshaped, since you don't want to learn. Anyway, please like this video and let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. Mother Valley is done, allegedly. And watching the videos and everything, to me, it says a lot. It says a lot. It says a lot. How far, the whole thing has fallen. Everything has collapsed. Anyway, please, like I said, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about all the discuss so far. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time zone. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.